this video, we're going to show you a really easy way to make Play-Doh at home.
Hi, I'm Carolyn, and these are my friends Phoebe and Kira. When I was a kid, I spent hours making shapes and creatures and pretend foods out of Play-Doh. I loved the endless possibilities of a lump of fresh, squishy dough. What I didn't realize was that those little mounds of dough were helping me develop my hand muscles and sparking my imagination. So now I love watching these guys have that same creative experience and knowing the great benefits they're getting while they play.
In this video, we're going to show you a really easy way to make Play-Doh at home.
This is a great project to do with kids because not only will they learn by helping you with the cooking, but they also have fun playing with the finished product. The best place for this project is the kitchen because we'll need to cook our dough on the stove for several minutes. And plus, we might make a little mess. The tools that we'll need are a small saucepan, a wooden spoon, a plate, measuring cups, and measuring spoons. The ingredients that we'll need are flour, water, salt, vegetable oil, cream of tartar, and food coloring. And we'll also need some glitter because we're making our dough sparkly. Phoebe and Kira helped me with the measuring, which is a great thing for them to learn. Okay, are you guys ready to add the ingredients?
Yeah!
Okay, first, 1 cup of flour. Phoebe?
It's hard to come out.
There you go. Good job. All right, second, we're gonna add 1 cup of water, and I'll do that.
Awesome.
Yeah. Okay, third, 1/4 cup of salt. All right, Kira, good job. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and I'll do that.
It's very tiny.
It is very tiny. 1 tablespoon. Here we go. Then we add 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Do you each want to add 1 teaspoon?
Yeah.
Okay. And with your finger, you want to level that off? Yeah, good job. Now right into the pan. Good job. So Kira, do you see what Phoebe did?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then level it off. Good job. Nice. Okay. Now it's time to add the food coloring. What color should we make our Play-Doh?
Blue.
Blue. Sounds good. So let's add 10 drops of blue food coloring to the pan.
I can add 5 and Kira can add 5 since 5 plus 5 is 10.
Perfect. All right, let's count together.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, now Phoebe, your turn. 1, 2, 3,
4.
5. Good job, guys. Now, with a wooden spoon, we stir everything together until it's mostly mixed up. Good job. Phoebe, do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, Kira. Nice.
It sounds bubbly.
It does sound bubbly, doesn't it? Now we keep stirring until most of the lumps are gone.
It already smells like Play-Doh.
It does smell like Play-Doh. Once the mixture looks smooth, we put the pan on the stove over medium heat and continue stirring the mixture while it's heating. To be safe, I do the cooking part. But I make sure to show Phoebe and Kira what's happening in the pan as the mixture starts to change, because it's a neat process to watch. After a couple of minutes, you'll start to see solid clumps forming in the pan. Continue to stir these clumps together until they form one giant doughy mass. It happens pretty quickly. Hey guys, come look at this. See? It's starting to look like dough. Once your dough looks like this, turn off the heat and take your pan over to the counter and dump the dough onto a plate. Now the dough is very warm, so I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes until it's cool enough to handle. Now just knead the warm dough until it feels mixed up. Do you guys wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. What does that feel like, Kira?
It feels like sticky ice cream.
Sticky ice cream. What do you think, Phoebe?
I think it feels like melted ice cream.
Like melted ice cream, yeah. Does it feel mixed up?
Yeah.
All right. And that's it.
Let's add the glitter to make it sparkly.
You got it. What color should we use?
Pink.
Pink? I like that idea. All right. So we just make a dent in the middle, like this. And then we add glitter. Like that. And then just knead it until it's spread throughout. See? Wasn't that easy?
I love being able to make any color we want.
Me too.
This is awesome.
What does it feel like?
It feels like squishy dough.
Squishy dough. I like to go like this. I'm glad we went with the blue.
The blue is a pretty color.
It is a pretty color.
With pink sparkle.
I like to poke it. Poke, 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 poke.
I'm gonna stick it.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and make a snail. If you store your dough in a plastic baggie or airtight container, it will keep for several months. Help us and other Mother Goose Club families learn by showing us how you and your kids did this project. We love to hear from you, so hashtag pictures and videos with Mother Goose Club and type stories into the comment section below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to be the first to hear about new videos.
Bye!
And
Bye! No. No.
okay.
Cute.
Hey!
Other Mother Goose Club is kind of tongue twister.
Hi, I'm Ivy. I play Baba Sheep on the Mother Goose Club. I love doing arts and crafts, especially with the kids I babysit for, like Lucas.
Hi!
In this video, we're going to show you how to make a bus out of a cardboard box. Okay, now we're going to turn this cardboard box into a bus that we can ride in.
Then we can pretend to drive all around the neighborhood, picking up all our friends.
This is a super creative craft that you can do at home with your child. And by the end of it, you'll have a toy that your child can use for pretend play. This encourages creativity and imagination. For this craft, you'll need a large empty cardboard box, some white, yellow, and black construction paper, glue, adult scissors, safety scissors, crayons, and 4 paper plates for the wheels. Okay, let's get this bus rolling. First, we're going to cut off the bottom flaps. The cardboard's a bit tough to cut, so an adult needs to do this step. Now we're going to fold in the top flaps to make the bus sturdy. To make the windows, we're going to use white paper. We're going to cut ours in half so that it fits better on the box. When you're doing this project at home, make sure that you're letting your child make all kinds of creative decisions. The more they do themselves, the more pride they'll feel when they're done. So how many windows do you think we need on each side?
3.
Sounds good.
Can I help with the cutting?
Sure. Here's your scissors. If you feel comfortable letting your child use safety scissors, let them help with the cutting. It exercises the small muscles in their hands and develops fine motor skills.
I did it!
Awesome! Now let's glue these windows on. You almost done?
Just my last edge.
We're gonna add 2 pieces of paper to the front to create the windshield. Great! Okay, are you ready to glue on the windows?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna glue on the first one, right here. Look good?
Mm-hmm.
You ready to put it in the middle?
Uh-huh.
Let's put it right here. Great. Now let's give this bus some headlights. We can fold the piece of paper in half, and I'm gonna draw a circle, and then I'm gonna cut it out. If your child's like Lucas and loves to help, you can have him trace the circles himself. Awesome. Wow, look at that circle. This helps them develop their hand-eye coordination. Almost done. Now let's glue the headlights on. Looks good. Awesome. To make the wipers, we're going to cut 2 long strips of black paper, like this. Awesome. Hey, which way do the windshield wipers go?
That way.
Good. Looking good. Awesome. Hey, we did it! This bus looks amazing, Lucas. Great job. But it's missing one thing.
What?
Well, what helps the bus move?
The wheel.
That's right. We're going to make them out of paper plates. We can either glue them on as is or color them however we want.
Let's turn pink.
That's a good choice. Now that we've glued these awesome wheels, you ready to put them on the bus?
Uh-huh.
Let's do it. I'll let you glue yours on first. Oh, that looks great. I'll pop mine on. And make sure it sticks. Looks good. Hey, let's take our bus for a spin.
Yeah.
Come on. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Try making a bus at home with your child and let us know how it goes by posting photos or videos and hashtagging them with Mother Goose Club. As always, we love to hear from you, so type in comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's get this bus rolling. Hey.
There we.
Sorry. So how many windows do you think we need on each side?
3. Can I help?
It's my fault because I was like,
I went.
Oh, okay, stabbing.
he knew I messed up.
Yeah.
It exercises their fine motors. Oops, sorry. It exercises the small motors.
Small muscles.
It exercises their fine. Okay, the different things. Be nice. And develops the fine. Now let's glue these headshot. Oh my. Black I want to wipe your windows.
You want to wipe your window.
Oh gosh.
Olivia, that is perfect. La 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 la. Hi, I'm Rachel. You may know me as Teddy from the Mother Goose Club, but I'm also a mom to 2 children, Olivia and Briley. Did you know that this little ball of dough has superpowers? It's true. When your kids play with it, they build finger muscles and brain power. I'll show you how. When little children knead, roll, poke, and cut Play-Doh, they're strengthening the tiny muscles in their hands, which they'll need for writing. They're also releasing tension and developing hand-eye coordination. There you go. Whoa, yes! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Cookies.
You're cooking! I love it! Perfect, Briley. What are you making? Looks like a pizza or peanut butter cookies.
Cutting.
You're cutting it? I like that. When kids play with Play-Doh, there are no rules, so they can let their imaginations run wild and push the limits of their creativity. This type of activity forces kids to make a lot of decisions and figure things out on their own, which boosts their intelligence. Talking to your kids while they create is also a great way to build their vocabularies. Riley, look, if you turn it around, it'll cut better for you. You see that? That's called a serrated edge, and it'll cut much better for you. See? Yay, high five! I like it. Do you like it better when the moon is a crescent moon or the full moon?
Crescent.
Yes, that's Olivia's favorite kind of moon. Okay.
Mommy.
Perfect, Olivia. I love it. It's perfect. When you turn it this way, what letter is it?
C.
That's right. It's also a letter C. And you can also call it an arc, Olivia.
Pound.
Pound, pound. What are you doing?
I said. He said pound.
What are you doing?
Look.
That's, it's a waffle.
It's a waffle.
Waffle! I told you this little ball of dough had superpowers. So add some Play-Doh to your playtime and show us how it goes. When you share your tips with us, you help us and other Mother Goose Club families learn. So please hashtag your videos and pictures with Mother Goose Club and let us know what works for you in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to be the first to know about our new videos. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Rachel. You may know me as Build Brain Development. And I said that line wrong.
Mommy, look, he's gonna mix the colors.
Oh gosh. Oh, whoops. Poke and cut Play-Doh. Smell. What did I say? So let their imaginations run. Talking to your children as they create. No, I'm not, because I don't know where we're picking up. Can you sit down, Briley?
No.
So let them.
So they can flag and just go for it.
When your kids play with it, they develop. When your kids play with it, they build. So add some Play-Doh to your Play-Doh time.
Mother Goose Club Playhouse.